They refused to see themselves as not from God because they could not do such a miracle, and they would not, even if they could, dahil Sabbath. John 9:25, sumagot siya, hindi ko po alam kung siya'y makasalanan o hindi. Isang bagay lang po ang alam ko. Ako'y dating bulag, subalit ngayon nakakakita na. Bakit niyo ba kino-complicate ang kwento? For me who was blind, this is everything. I don't care about your doctrines. Seeing now is everything to me. Which seems to be nothing to you because you are so encumbered by the issue of legality of the work during the Sabbath. Don't you care at all na nakakakita na ako? Wala bang bagay sa inyo yan? Ang pinag-uusapan nyo kung paano siya uusigin dahil pinagaling niya ako sa araw ng Sabbath na ayaw niyong may gagawa. Kayo naman, walang ginagawa para sa akin. Yung tao may ginawa para sa akin.